What's going on, my fellow YouTubers? This is your boy Joe here, and right now I'm looking at a 52-inch Carriage House ceiling fan, Hampton Bay. This is a 52-inch Carriage House Hampton Bay ceiling fan, and as you can tell, this has 5 blades. They're reversible. Has a light kit, and it moves amount of great air. So I'm gonna test it out for you, turn it on for you, and it's the same one over here. It's the light. Tell it's very bright. Turn it off for you. Alright, turn it on low. Turn it on medium. And like I said, it moves great amount of air. And one more speed, high. Now it has a little humming noise to it, but it's not that bad. And it rocks a little bit, but it's not that bad. And you can hear the air. Alright. Well, this concludes another fan video. Cut it off. Well, this concludes another fan video. May God bless you.